Hi, in this video I'll show you how to add Ubiquiti UBNT AC LR access point to the Altiwi from scratch. This video expects that your access point has already been flashed by us, so you received the unit which has already the correct firmware in it. If not, you can find how to flash your own hardware in the other video I will link in the description below. So first, if you have not ever started with Altiwi dashboard, navigate to beta-altiwi.com and click sign up. Provide your name and email address. Choose some password and sign up. Shortly, you should receive you should receive an email to your inbox with the welcome message with confirmation instructions. So this is the proper one. I have tested and taken screenshot a while before, so you can ignore that. You will receive such an email where you have to confirm your account, so you will go directly to the Altiwi network and you will start configure new organization. The organization is something you should provide, and you should provide also with the correct address, because the address is used for map for placing new access points. So if you don't want to disclose your address, it's no problem. If you don't provide anything, we don't need this information for us, but it will make your life better later, so I expect to do that. In case you provide full address, you can omit the selecting time zone, because it will be derived from the address. If you will not provide a street address, I would really highly recommend to select your time zone, because if you will select your time zone manually, we know only the zone you are in, and this time zone is used for example for firmware upgrades Windows. So if you would like to make automatic upgrades of your firmwares, it is good to have it overnight, not in the middle of the working day. So you just create the organization. This organization, by the way, is derived from the domain you provided. And you can use anything you like, but the name which was written here was something which is after the @ sign and and dot something. First, you have to create your Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is the name, it's also called SSID, and is the name which you will see here if you try to connect to your devices. So create a network. Again, it's derived from your organization name and network name, as you can see. You can change it to whatever you like, but I will leave it as it is. There is a password. You can override the suggested password with something really strong, for example password here, and you can also make a list of blocked MAC addresses or so. Not important right now. You may want to bridge it to particular VLAN ID if you are using VLANs, but for this short video, just leave it a name and password and create a Wi-Fi. Right now you can see that the screen has changed. You can see that there is a secure network which you can show the password here, and you can edit it back. We will see what you have seen. And from now on you can either add your access point or add another Wi-Fi SSID. The goal behind the Altiwi is to provide a very simple way how to create the internet-only Wi-Fi. So if you want to create a network which will have access to the internet but not to your internal network, you can add internet-only Wi-Fi. Again, you can create some other password or the same one, password 2, and create Wi-Fi. So right now we have two networks with two different passwords. This network, which starts with the organization name, only is a secure network, and it's bridged in fact into your local area network. And this one, which is labeled the internet and has an internet suffix in its name, will provide access only to the internet but not into your local network. And now you can add your access point or access points. Every access point you will add will inherit the settings of your network. So if you want to change the password, you change it once, and the network setting will be automatically downloaded, but all your access points you have. So right now you should provide the MAC address of your device. The MAC address of your device is on the box and on the unit itself. If you give me a second. If you look to your box, this is the MAC address. You can provide it as it is, and if you look onto the device itself, you can see that the MAC address is from here to here. Yeah. So those, I think it is 12 alphanumeric letters. It's only digits, and the letters from A to F are the MAC address. It's a serial number, so-called, of the device. The other way is that you can add the devices from your mobile phone. If you navigate to the same address, you can use the scan button and just snap this QR code, and it will be populated automatically. But for the sake of this video, we will not do that. So first I will put the letters here. The capitalization of the letters doesn't matter, so the E could be big or small or capital or lowercase, no problem. You have to select the proper device, so use UBNT AC LR here, and you have to provide the location of the access point. As you can see, the address I used when I was creating the network will bring me right into the right place, so I don't have to navigate from Guinea Bay from the Atlantic Ocean, which is 00 coordinates. So it's nice. I just put the access point here and use the create access point. When you create the access point, you can plug it in, and after some time you will see that it is connected and everything works as expected. Just give me a second. Probably I did not plug the device yet. Not sure. The device is in different room. Yeah. So we can stop. If you look into the description, you can see the screenshots how it should look like. It will be published on our blog and afterwards on our website. So thank you for watching, and that's all.